exercises that require a ball. Stability ball, Cobras. Lie with your sternum on top of the stability ball, your legs out long behind you, toes resting on the floor. With your arms by your sides, engage through the core and back to lift your chest up and open, as if you're trying to peel it back off the ball. Lower down and repeat. Medicine ball, Russian twists. Sit on the floor, holding the ball in both hands. Lean your torso back from the hips so it approaches 45 degrees from the floor. With bent knees, keep your heels dug into the floor, easier, or lift them up to hover, harder. Start with the ball from one hip, keeping your torso square and shoulders broad. Slowly bring the ball from one hip to the other, and back. Repeat. Medicine ball, pass plank. Come into a straight arm plank with the ball under one hand. Carefully roll the ball to the other hand, taking care to keep the hips level and avoid rocking. Keep passing back and forth.